Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your life and thought, everything is changing? Your English is improving. Your job is becoming different. Your daily life is changing. But how do we talk about these changes in English? The answer is hidden in one simple grammar idea. Let's discover it together.
In the previous lessons, we learned that present continuous is used for actions happening right now.
Exactly. For example, I am watching TV. The action is happening now, but today we will learn something more interesting. Present continuous is not only about this exact second, it can also describe things happening around now and things that are changing. Meet Emma. Emma lives in London. This week she has a very important project at work.
I'm working really hard this week. Wait, is Emma working right now?
Good question. Actually, no. Right now, Emma is drinking coffee at home. She is not sitting at her desk. But she can still say, I'm working hard this week.
How is that possible? She isn't working at this exact moment.
Because this week is a period of time, not 1 second. A whole period around now. I'm working hard this week. Present continuous can zoom out. It doesn't only look at one moment, it can look at the whole situation around now. Look at these two sentences. You work hard today. You're working hard today.
The second one sounds more natural.
Exactly. Why? Because today is a temporary period around now. We use the present continuous with words like today, this week, this month, this year, and these days to talk about a temporary situation happening around now. For examples, I'm studying a lot this week. She's working from home this month. They're preparing for an exam these days.
So it doesn't mean I'm doing it at this exact second?
Exactly. It means it's happening during this period. Now let's meet David. David works for a technology company. Last year, everything was normal, but this year, things are different.
What happened?
David says, the company I work for isn't doing so well this year.
Why doesn't he say the company doesn't do well this year?
Because this is not a permanent fact. The situation is changing around now. Now let's look at another important use of present continuous. For examples, is your English getting better? The population of the world is increasing very fast. I'm beginning to enjoy my job.
They all describe change.
Exactly. When something is changing, growing, improving, or becoming different, we often use present continuous. Change verbs such as get, change, become, increase, rise, fall, grow, improve, begin, and start. For examples, your English is getting better. The weather is getting warmer. The city is becoming bigger. Prices are rising.
Quiz time. Question 1. Which sentence is correct? A. The population increases very fast. B. The population is increasing very fast.
The answer is B, because it describes a change happening around now.
Question 2. Which sentence is correct? A. You work hard today. B. You're working hard today.
B is correct, because today is a temporary period around now.
In this lesson, we learned 2 important uses of the present continuous. 1. We use it to talk about situations happening around now, such as today, this week, this month, and this year. 2. We also use it to talk about changes happening around now, especially with verbs like get, change, become, and improve.
Remember, use present continuous when something is true around now or when something is changing.
So, I'm improving my English this year is correct?
Yes, even if you are not studying at this exact second. Now it's your turn. Listen first, then repeat. I'm working hard this week.
I'm working hard this week.
You're working hard today.
You're working hard today.
The company isn't doing so well this year.
The company isn't doing so well this year.
I'm studying English these days.
I'm studying English these days.
She's working from home this month.
She's working from home this month.
We're preparing for exams these days.
We're preparing for exams these days.
I'm reading a great book this month.
I'm reading a great book this month.
They're spending a lot of money these days.
They're spending a lot of money these days.
I'm staying at a hotel this week.
I'm staying at a hotel this week.
He's not sleeping well this month.
He's not sleeping well this month.
Is your English getting better?
Is your English getting better?
The population is increasing very fast.
The population is increasing very fast.
I'm beginning to enjoy my job.
I'm beginning to enjoy my job.
Prices are rising this year.
Prices are rising this year.
The weather is getting warmer.
The weather is getting warmer.
My confidence is growing every day.
My confidence is growing every day.
The city is becoming more modern.
The city is becoming more modern.
Her English is improving slowly.
Her English is improving slowly.
Things are starting to change.
Things are starting to change.
My life is changing this year.
My life is changing this year.
Excellent. You just practiced 20 real-life sentences.
Now it's your turn. Write one sentence in the comments. I'm working hard this week. Write a sentence using these days or this year. For example, I'm learning to cook these days. Describe a change happening in your life. For example, my English is getting better.
I will read your sentences and help you correct them. Imagine your life is a movie. The story is moving. Things are changing. Your English is improving. Your confidence is growing.
So present continuous is not only about now, it's also about what's happening around now.
Exactly, and that's the secret.
Great job today, everyone.
If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more English lessons.
Keep learning.
Keep improving.
See you in the next Chronicast lesson.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.